In a tranquil pond, nestled among lily pads and water lilies, a new life began. From an egg, hatched a tiny mayfly, named Maya. Maya was small and fragile, with delicate wings that shimmered in the sunlight. She was born to live a life of just one day, yet she was filled with curiosity and a zest for life. As she emerged from her egg, Maya noticed the world around her. She saw the dragonfly darting through the air, the frog lounging on a lily pad, and the fish swimming gracefully beneath. Maya aspired to be like them, to live a long and fulfilling life. But the wise old mayfly, Mabel, told her, "Maya, remember, we mayflies live but a single day." Disappointed, Maya spent her day aimlessly wandering, her heart heavy with the knowledge of her short life. She felt a sense of urgency, a need to make her day count. As the sun began to set, Maya found herself trapped in a spider's web. She struggled, but her tiny wings could not free her. Just then, a young boy named Tim came to the pond, fishing with his grandfather. Seeing Maya in the web, he carefully freed her and carried her to safety. In that moment, Maya realized that her life, though brief, could make a difference. She could inspire, help, and bring joy to others. With renewed purpose, Maya spent her remaining hours helping other mayflies who were trapped, sharing her wisdom with them. When the sun rose the next day, Maya spread her wings and flew upwards, feeling a sense of peace and fulfillment. She had lived her life to the fullest, even in just one day. The moral of this story is that no matter how long or short our lives may be, we should live each day with purpose, making a positive impact on those around us. For it is not the length of life, but the depth of life that truly matters.